If you are working garter stitch like this and you've got I-cord edging, you can actually use that to hide where you're changing colors in your work. So in this case, it's two very dramatically contrasting colors, but this could be done as well if you were doing something like you had hand-dyed yarn and you wanted to blend them very smoothly. If you've got an I-cord edging, then it's really easy to do because you can't see the changes on the edge, and it means the edge doesn't get pulled in too tight. So there's two things we're going to look at here. The first one is looking at I-cord edges and how you can do integrated ones, how you do it. In this particular case, there's a few different ways. What I'm doing here is I'm slipping the edge, the 3 I-cord stitches at the start and the end on each side, on the wrong side row. So I'm keeping the wrong side row towards me, keeping the yarn towards me, and these first ones, those 3 I-cord ones, I want to slip those. Then I bring the yarn back over here to work garter stitch. And I'll just go ahead and knit all the way to those last 3 stitches, which is where I'm going to be working the next one. So again, bring the yarn towards me so it's on the wrong side of the work, and slip all 3 of those stitches purlwise. So it does take a little bit for the I-cord to fold under. You can see it's folding in faster on this side than it is over here, but that does start curling. And now we want the second color, so the cream color. So we find where that is. So it's going to be over here, inside the 3 stitches where we left it. You pull this up and you just begin working the right side work with that color. So you're actually going to be knitting every right side row all the way across. It's very straightforward. The only row that you have anything different happening is going to be your wrong side row. So you just knit right to the end, and when you're done, you'll see it creates that nice I-cord there at the start of your work, and your other yarn will be down here to be worked next time round. So that's how you can alternate 2 different colors yarn or 2 different balls of yarn and hide that inside that I-cord edging.